Okay, Bean Beauties, this is because you ask. Is it a heavy bag? We're gonna find out. If you're interested in this bag and felt like it's gonna be too heavy for you, then we're gonna find out how much it weighs. If you're interested, then come on back and let's figure it out together. This is my Dooney Bourke large, I believe they call it a large ostrich satchel, and it's the tassel satchel. It has a satchel. It is the iconic design, but in the ostrich. Here's the front. Whoops. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here is the bottom. There's what it looks like at the top, and it has the zipper down. I did the unboxing in December for DUCKmas. I will link the video down below. Here's what the thumbnail looks like. And a lot of y'all were asking if this was heavy. It doesn't feel heavy. I mean, it feels pretty light. It does have some weight to it. It doesn't feel heavy to me. I don't know if I'm just stronger right now or what, but we're gonna find out how much it is. I'm gonna put up on the screen the dimensions. Now, there are some things with this bag that I do want to talk to y'all about. I mean, it's a beautiful bag. I would repurchase it in a minute, but there are some things that I was not aware of. I'm going to take all the stuffing out of here so we can weigh the bag completely empty. So all that's in the bag is the key keeper that's attached to it. There is nothing in the bag. And let's get the weight out of the way so that y'all can see how much it weighs. Okay. So it is coming up 1 pound, 15.9 ounces. So well under 2 pounds. So for me, that is definitely a great lightweight bag. Let me get my other phone. Let me take a picture for y'all, and then I'll put it up on the screen. Okay, you're gonna get a little bit of a glare from my light, but I'll put up on the screen how much it weighs, and it's 1 pound, 15.9 ounces. Okay, that was the #1 question that everybody was asking was, is it heavy? It is not heavy. It puddles just beautifully. I mean, look at that. Look at that puddle, that slouchiness. I mean, it's beautiful. The leather is soft to touch. It is just scrumptious, very squishy. This is a little bit more structured of a bottom. It's not just the soft leather. It does have some kind of a structure there, but even with that, I mean, look at it. Look at it. So I'm happy with that. Now, after I did the video and I was looking into looking at it and everything, I did have like one major kind of concern I wanted to let y'all know about. For me, if I knew ahead of time with this particular bag, I still would have purchased it. So the tassels here, to me, the tassels feel very plasticky. Now, I try to look to see if it said, Dooney's not very good with telling you what kind of leather they use, you know, other than it's fine Italian made leather, or what the findings are made of or anything like that. So it's your guess is as good as anybody's. But I don't know. I mean, they don't feel leather to me. They don't. But don't take my word for it. I would buy the bag, check it out yourself. If it bothers you, you know, then you can go from there. But to me, this is not your normal Dooney Florentine pebble leather kind of tassel. Oh, this was made in Cambodia, right? I think that's where I had said that I had looked and said that this was made for. Other than that, I didn't find anything else on the bag that I was disappointed in at all. I love it. I would repurchase it even knowing that, because the bag is so beautiful. I would purchase it, especially at the price point that I got it at. Would I pay full price for it? I'm a cheapskate, y'all. I'm allergic to full price. I hardly ever pay full price for anything unless it's something that I feel like it's going to sell out and I will have major FOMO. And you know, there are bags that you already know that has happened with. But this particular bag here, aside from that, you know, is my only negative. And it could be that it's that they're leather and they're just highly coated with you know, with polyurethane, or coated with covering, you know, whatever they put on the leather to make it shiny. It's just a, you know, could be doing that. But I mean, I'm not gonna call Dooney. I'm not gonna, you know, go into the investigating and stuff to do all that. I'm just like not that kind of gal. I wish I was, but I don't have the time, y'all. I don't have the time. So it's just a matter of being aware of it. And because so many of y'all love the bag, and I had at least 3 or 4 of y'all saying that when this comes out again, y'all want to purchase it. So I wanted to make sure that y'all are aware of that, because, you know, if you're going off of my first impressions, I wanted to get this video up so that y'all know. This bag was out for a while on the website, but it sold out and it hasn't come back, at least the date of this recording. I'm already recording items, things for February, y'all, but this video is going to come out hopefully either just before I leave on vacation or while I'm on vacation. So in case it comes out in like an after winter sale or something like that, then y'all can be aware. But I do recommend it. Now knowing this, I didn't know it at the time of the unboxing because I didn't pay attention. I was so excited. I was so excited I didn't pay attention. So now knowing it and letting y'all know the weight, letting y'all know this, I do still recommend it as long as you know what you're going into. So, you know, grab the bag. If you see it, especially if you see it on sale, grab the bag, bring it home, check it out, see if it's something that you can live with. If not, you can always return it. You can always send it back, you know. But I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it, especially after I learned I carried 9 black handbags in 2025. What? Dee Bean wore that many black handbags in 2025? I mean, I thought I wore like 2, maybe 3. I forgot about all the ones that I wore. I was pretty amazed at it. Going into 2026, I am definitely taking 2 black handbags with me on the cruise. So there's 2 down already. And I have so many that I want to choose. Like, I want to take this as my car bag. I also want to take my what else? There was another one I wanted to take as my car bag. I don't know. There's so many that are flying around in my head that I can't decide what I want to take as my car bag. There's some totes that I want to take as my car bags. I just don't know. I don't know. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. If you have any other questions, let me know. If I have used this bag by the time I edit it and I styled it or anything, then I'll put some pictures up with me styling it. But it's a black bag. Everything will go. Everything will go. All right. If you have any other questions, let me know. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Thanks for asking. Don't forget to let me know what kind of content you want or what kind of bags you want me to go through this year. Like, subscribe, do all the things. Help me get to 2K by my birthday. My birthday's February the 20th. Help me get to 2K. Great birthday present. Love y'all. Bye-bye.